CS Auto, a leading new energy vehicle brand under the CS Group, deployed 22 MaxO2500-L AMRs from ForwardX Robotics in its stamping workshop in 2023. The MaxO2500-L supports lifting ultra-large material racks, up to 4 meters in length, with a maximum load capacity of 5,511 pounds, and meets the demanding requirement of a 40-second work cycle on site. This highly flexible automation solution enables 100 parts to come off the line per hour, significantly reduces labor costs. The CS Stamping Workshop has become the first in the industry to achieve fully automated operations between AMRs and robotic arms. In the stamping workshop, AMRs receive task instructions from the system and proceed to the specified docking point to dock with the robotic arm. QR code guidance further enhances the AMR's positioning accuracy, achieving docking precision within plus or minus 5 mm and angular accuracy of 0.3 degrees. AMRs utilize a combination of radar and downward-facing QR code cameras for precise positioning, while the robotic arm automatically loads the stamped automotive parts into the rack within the visual precision frame. Once complete loading, AMR lifts the material rack and automatically plans the optimal route to safely transport it to the scanning area. After information inspection, the AMR receives the delivery location information and accurately transports the materials to the designated unloading point. Every AMR is equipped with a universal pallet, allowing it to dock with 16 different types of material racks on site. AMRs leverage multiple positioning and docking methods to achieve high-precision docking, improving docking efficiency and reliability while waiting for the robotic arm to complete loading. AMR can charge simultaneously, ensuring continuous 24/7 operation. This significantly improves delivery efficiency while reducing labor costs. By leveraging ForwardX Robotics solution, CS Auto has achieved fully automated, end-to-end material handling for various components in its stamping workshop. As the automotive industry continues its intelligent transformation and upgrade, ForwardX Robotics remains committed to supporting more automotive enterprises, driving innovation, and contributing to the high-quality development of the industry.